Let's go over the parts of an engine. The cylinder is a space where fuel goes and where it is compressed and eventually burned. The piston moves up and down the cylinder to compress the gasoline. The crankshaft is connected to the piston by a connecting rod. It converts the up and down motion of the piston into rotary motion. The camshaft is connected to the crankshaft by a belt or gear, and it operates the valves that open to let gasoline in and exhaust out of the cylinder. The spark plug is an electrical device, and it ignites the fuel in the cylinders.
So the piston, this thing, will move down. This valve will open, letting in a mixture of air and gasoline right here.
The piston moves back up the cylinder to compress the fuel and air mixture.
When the piston reaches the top of the cylinder, compressing the mixture of air and gasoline, then the spark will ignite the mixture and it'll explode and it'll force the piston back down.
When the piston gets to the bottom of the cylinder after the explosion, the exhaust valve will open to let the exhaust out through the tailpipe of your car.